Let's have a look at the suspects. Looking at that lineup, who do you believe might be responsible for causing the damage to this computer?
Well, I'm not sure, because none of them have given an alibi.
I used to do work at the Old Bailey. Now, what do you believe happened, madam?
I believe 100% it was Roger.
Now, the reason you have grounds for that suspicion is because of that photograph,
Yeah.
correct?
Yeah. He seems to really like sitting on my windowsill, and instead of just kind of jumping up onto it like any other cat would, he likes to kind of circle the computer and then go up onto the windowsill.
Why do you believe this is your sister's fault?
Because she sort of said Roger was her cat. She was meant to be looking after the computer while I was away. It's kind of doubly her fault, if you understand that.
And, of course, there's another person responsible for these cats as well, which is your mum. So I'm going to take the opportunity to telephone her. I've got her number. Go to my chambers. Hello?
Hello?
Hello, do I have Lindsay here?
Hello, yes.
Hello,
it is.
Lindsay. This is Judge Rinder here. I have your daughters in my court arguing about a broken computer.
Oh, yes, yes.
Yes. Now, I'm sorry you can't be here, but I've got some questions. I hope you don't mind. Have you got a few seconds?
I have, yes. Can I just say something first? I know you're rolling in your courtroom and it's serious, but I just absolutely love you.
Well...
I absolutely love you. I can't believe I've got my idol on the phone.
Oh, Lindsay. Now, you bought this computer for Taylor, is that right?
That's right, yes.
How much did you pay for it, madam, roughly?
Just slightly over £1,000.
Understood. Now, when Taylor went off to university, we have to get to the crux of this case, there was a cat in the house called Roger. Yes?
Oh, yes.
Now,
yes.
before Roger was purchased, or rather before you agreed to take Roger on, did Taylor advise you and Paige that it wasn't a very good idea?
She wasn't as into it as myself and Paige.
Because you weren't originally a cat person, so to speak.
Well, Paige, for years, wanted a cat.
You were persuaded by your daughter's charm.
Oh, absolutely.
And now there's 10 of them in the house.
11.
What's your view about what happened?
I do think Roger took a particular liking to Taylor's computer.
Do you know why? Was he allowed to have access to the computer on his own? Was he looking at the blue Peter cat and getting a bit amorous?
I think that's what it might have been.
No, but seriously.
But if I'd known that I was going to be speaking to Judge Rinder, I would have peed on the computer myself. Sorry, Judge.
Madam, well... I shall
Judge.
take that as the compliment with which it was intended.
It was.
Thank you very much, madam.
No problem.
Whose fault do you think this
Judge.
was? Wait a second. Whose fault do you think this was? How did the cat get into the room?
Absolutely Paige's, yes.
Thank you very much, madam. I hope you have a splendid day, and I hope that you're in very near access to a WC.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you, Lindsay, and you have two very nice daughters.
They better be.
They're being very well behaved.
Thank you very much.
Good afternoon. Thank you. Don't be stupid. Stay and watch the best Judge Rinder moments. And I'm talking. Understood? Don't be a moron. Subscribe to Judge Rinder YouTube channel. Right now. That's an order.